Okay, so similar to activities, right now shoes could actually be deleted or edited by any user, not just the user that created them, and that's obviously a huge problem. So similar to activities, we're going to want to use pundit for this. So I'm going to run Rails generate, I think it's pundit policy, and then I'm going to pass in shoe. Okay, so that ran. So we have the shoe policy here, or actually that's the test, sorry. So I'm gonna go in here, pretty much do the same thing as the activity policy, which would be, it's gonna copy all this. Shoe policy, we don't have a show, but we have an edit, an update, and destroy. So this is good. The next thing we wanna do is go into our shoes controller, and we wanna do authorize the shoe, and that will look for this shoe policy. Same with edit and update. So we have that, but we should also probably test this. So I'm gonna go into activities, controller test actually, and just copy a lot of what we have. So activities, controller test. Let's see here. It's going to copy a lot of this. Hopefully this will make it easier to do it. So choose controller test. So we have this. User 1, user 2. So let's just see here. We actually want to do confirmed user with shoes will be this one. And confirmed user with shoe. So we just need at least 2 users, and each of those users needs to have at least 1 shoe. Let's just change this to shoe. And we'll do shoes first. So that's good. Should not delete another user's shoe. We'll sign in as user 1. And actually, before we can sign in, we need to, or actually no, I forgot the helper that lets us sign in is actually in the test helper file, which gets required. So we're good. So assert no difference. So we'll do shoe count, delete, shoe path, user to shoe. It's kind of repetitive, I know. Should not update another user's shoe. Okay, so we'll do, how about new, let's just do like new name. Let's do the old foobar baz right there. And then we have to do activity path. You want to do shoe path, user to shoe. The params will be shoe. And let's see here. The duration, we want to change that to name. And assert not equal, user to, change activity to shoe, reload, name, new name. And should not get show, so that doesn't actually matter because we're not doing that. So let's just see if this works. So we'll do Rails T test controllers and shoes controller. Okay, interesting. So I got a failure here, and I don't know if it's because I made a mistake with my test or my logic. So line 12. Should not delete another user's shoe. So we sign in as user 1. Assert no difference. Yeah, okay, so that's a problem. Oh, and it's because in the shoes controller, I don't think I actually authorized the shoe. So that's good. And actually, yeah, so we'll keep it there for now to make sure this test passes. And let's just make sure this test really works. So let's just kind of comment those out, and then we should get some failures again. Sometimes it's good practice to make your test fail after it's passing a little bit, just to make sure you set your test up correctly and it's not passing for the wrong reasons. So that's good. Git status, git add, and git commit. We'll just say authorize shoe requests.